Relax yourself completely. Bring your focus to your breath. Bring your focus to your breath. Watch yourself. Very simply breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. As you breathe in, observe how is the air moving from your nostrils to your throat and filling your lungs and reaching out to your navel. As you breathe in, bring your focus to the movement of the air from your nostrils to the throat, filling your lungs and reaching out to your navel. And as you exhale, see your body completely getting dropped. आपका पूरा शरीर हल्का होते हुए जिस भी सरफेस पे आप लेटे हैं पूरी तरह से release, relax your body. Exhale, just relax your body. Scan yourself from head to toe. Slowly scan yourself from head to toe. सर से पाँव तक धीरे धीरे अपने आप को ध्यान से देखिए. एक एक पार्ट आपके बॉडी के एक एक हिस्से को ध्यान से देखिए और जैसे जैसे आप देख रहे हैं अपने सर को, अपनी आँखों को, अपने फेशियल मसल्स को, अपने गले को, अपने शोल्डर्स को, वैसे वैसे वो शरीर का हिस्सा नीचे हल्का होता हुआ पूरी तरह से ड्रॉप होता हुआ. ड्रॉप. Relax your chest. Relax your chest. And now bring your focus to the navel and the sides of your body. As you relax, the body is moving into stillness. पूरा शरीर आपका एक सहज अवस्था में, स्टिलनेस में जाता हुआ अपना ध्यान अपने थाइस पर लाते हुए relax them and relax both your knees. Relax your calf muscles, your shin bone and both your ankles. Relax. See your feet dropping out. You're completely relaxed. The whole body is relaxed. From head to toe, you are relaxed. आभा मंडल से उतरती हुई दिव्य नीली ऊर्जा, the blue light, is reaching out to your toes. आपके पैरों के तलवों पर आप महसूस कर पा रहे हैं एक नीले रंग की ऊर्जा धीरे धीरे आपके पैरों में प्रवेश करती हुई आपको और डीप लेवल पर हील करती हुई भीतर और भीतर जाती हुई बहुत ही प्यार से वेरी सॉफ्ट मिस्टिक टच is reached out to both your feet. The blue color light is moving slowly and rising up in your body from the ankles, reaching out slowly into your calf muscles. And now moving up to your knees. Feel the light. उस ऊर्जा को महसूस करने की कोशिश कीजिए. The blue light is slowly rising up into your thighs, relaxing both your thighs, and you are able to detach from your physical body. आप अपने फिजिकल बॉडी से धीरे धीरे डिटैच होते हुए अपना पूरा ध्यान अपने नाभि पर लाते हुए देखिए द कोर ऑफ योर बॉडी, द फिजिकल बॉडी इज गेटिंग रिलैक्स्ड. आपका शरीर बहुत ही हल्का ढीला पड़ चुका है. As if it has integrated with the aura, with the energy around you. It's experiencing this stillness, this oneness with the Prakruti, with the 5 elements around it. आपके दोनों हाथ, the palms, have now completely dropped. And relax. The blue light is slowly rising up into your lungs, releasing your chest and releasing both your shoulders. This is releasing your shoulders and reaching out to your throat chakra. You are able to relax and release the stress in your jaws. Release both your jaws, slightly open your mouth and let the stress get released. Slightly open your mouth and let the stress get released in your jaws and in your ears. See the blue light gently rising up into your eyes and healing, reaching out to your brain, your forehead. आप चारों ओर से बहुत ही प्लेजेंट और हल्का महसूस कर रहे हो. Experience this stillness which is so pleasant. Experience this stillness which is so pleasant, as if you are now connected with the Akasha, the space element. Feel the connection with your own higher self. Invoke all the gods and the goddesses that you believe in. जिस भी देवी शक्तियों में आप मानते हो महसूस कीजिए, उनसे कनेक्ट कीजिए. आपकी स्पिरिट गाइड्स, एंजल्स, आर्कएंजल्स, मास्टर्स, सोल गाइड्स, जो भी आपके गुरु हैं, उन्हें इन्वोक देम, आह्वान कीजिए उनका. इनवाइट देम, कॉल अपॉन देम, whoever is your guru, masters. See them blessing you from the Akasha. Feel the energy at your Sahasrara, above the crown chakra. You can sense these energies and are able to and open to receive these slowly, the Akash Tattva is gently flowing down into your spine. Feel this, the space element from your crown chakra, the infinite, the huge, vast expanse, the infinite Akash Tattva, the space element, filled with stars, shimmering stars. As you breathe, feel your throat feeling pleasant. As you breathe, feel your throat. Your throat chakra is connecting to this space element. Your throat chakra is feeling and connecting to this space element. It's limitless. It's limitless. It's infinite. You can feel the infinity. It is eternal. You can feel these emotions, the vibrations that come along with these words, limitless, infinite, eternal. आप महसूस कर पा रहे हैं अपने थ्रोट चक्रा में इन ऊर्जाओं को, इन एनर्जीज को. The space element is carrying a lot of memory. It holds the record of your soul. It holds the record of your soul family. It holds the stories of why you and your siblings have chosen each other. Why have you and your siblings have chosen each other? Allow yourself to dissolve into this spaciousness. इस बड़े वास्ट स्पेस में अपने आप को डूबते हुए देखिए. With faith, with light, allow yourself, let the resistance from the body, let the resistance from the body be released. See no boundaries, see no limits, only expansion. स्पेस एलिमेंट को आप एक्सपांड कर पा रहे हैं. Within this space, you may begin to sense some patterns. आपके थ्रोट चक्रा की स्पेस में आप कुछ पैटर्न्स को आइडेंटिफाई कर पा रहे हैं. देखिए, are there any recurring emotions? Are there any recurring emotions? See them, acknowledge, identify them. Are there any emotions which are recurring between you and your siblings and your soul family members? Are there any similar imprints? देखिए, the karmic echoes shared between you and your siblings. Is there any overlap? क्या आपको सुनाई दे रहा है या कुछ दिखाई दे रहा है? See it, acknowledge it, identify the patterns. आप समझ पा रहे हैं, आप acknowledge कर पा रहे हैं, आप देख पा रहे हैं. There are patterns. There are patterns that are similar between you and your siblings. Perhaps you see lifetimes where you were together before. कोई glimpses past life के आपके और आपके siblings के बीच आप इस पल में आइडेंटिफाई कर पा रहे हैं। देखिए, were your siblings friends in some other life? They could be your parent in any of the past lives. They could be your child in one of the past lives. See them, the patterns. आपने अपने भाई बहनों के साथ किसी जन्म में किसी और रिश्ते को जिया है। कोई कार्मिक आप दोनों के बीच कोई पैटर्न क्या ये सामने आ रहा है? देखिए, allow the visions, imaginations, feelings, or any impressions to flow naturally. Show no resistance, no logic. Let it flow. Let it surface. And deeply breathe in into the sky of your being. जो आकाशा आपके एग्जिस्टेंस में है, आपके एग्जिस्टेंस में जो आकाशा, see it expanding, see it expanding, healing. Let the space element reveal the truth hidden beyond this time. इस पल के beyond जो भी सच्चाई है आपके और अपने सिबलिंग्स के बीच, वो सरफेस पे आती भी जैसे जैसे ये सरफेस पे आ रही है आपके थ्रोट चक्रा में, द स्पेस एलिमेंट इज एक्सपांडिंग। रिलीज द रेजिस्टेंस। जितना ही आपने अपने शरीर को जकड़ के रखा है सब जाने दीजिए। Let it go. If you feel like crying, let it flow. Let it flow. Certain visions might appear. Just watch them. Let it heal. The consciousness within you is protecting you and guiding you through, taking you through, helping you heal. Drop the burdens, the heaviness, सब कुछ निकल जाने दीजिए. And now, take a moment and breathe to feel happy about this burden getting released. जो भी तनाव आपके पर शरीर में एक ब्लॉकेज बन के, एक कॉम्पैक्ट एनर्जी बन के परेशान कर रहा था, वो अब निकल चुका है। लेट इट गो, लेट इट गो, रिलीज, रिलीज एंड रिलीज। See the air movement, the consciousness moving in your throat chakra, healing your shoulders and your neck. See it happening. And gently now imagine a circle of light forming around you. आपके around एक light circle बनता हुआ. And within this circle, invite all your siblings and the soul family to appear. Let the soul family of the previous generations, whoever is your soul family and your siblings, let them come inside this circle. Visualize कीजिए एक तेजस्वी लाइट का एक सर्कल आपके चारों ओर बन रहा है। इनवाइट कीजिए, invite your siblings and your soul family members. See they appear They're happy to be there because this healing helps them and also heals you. All of you are progressing in a way on their own, and this process is helpful. Within this circle, let the siblings and the soul family members appear. See them not just as they are today, आज जैसा भी आपका रिश्ता है. See beyond it as eternal souls, beings of light on their own journeys. Every individual is on their own journey. Notice the similarities. क्या चीज़ें जो आप उनमें पसंद नहीं करते हैं, क्या वो आप में भी है, जाने अनजाने? Has it come in you? Notice the similarities, the repeating patterns. All the repeating patterns, notice them. See the karmic bonds that have pulled you together again in this life. देखिए आपके और अपने सिबलिंग्स के बीच कैसा कार्मिक पैटर्न है. Why both your souls decided to come into the same family group? देखिए, take a breath, a deep breath, and as you exhale, release all the judgments and release the expectations. Release them all. Simply see them as they are. वो जैसे भी हैं. Just see them. See the souls walking beside you. They are learning. They are healing. They are evolving. So, are you? You are learning. You are healing. You are evolving. See it all happening in this moment. All the judgments are released. All the expectations are released. And simply bring your focus back to your throat chakra. अपना पूरा ध्यान अपने विशुद्धि चक्रा पर लाते हुए allow the blue light to radiate outward, जो आकाशा से आपके सहस्त्रार से उतरती हुई आपकी थ्रोट चक्रा तक आई हुई limitless vast light, the blue light, the akasha. See it radiating out from your throat chakra. See it radiating outward, flowing to each sibling, filling the space between you with the healing vibrations. अब दोनों के बीच की ऊर्जा हील होती हुई. And as the blue light expands, imagine it is dissolving all the misunderstandings. आपके और उनके बीच जाने अनजाने जितनी भी मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग्स हुई थी, सी इट डिजॉल्विंग, पूरी तरह से डिजॉल्व होती हुई. ऑल द अनस्पोकन वर्ड्स, जो भी सप्रेस्ड इमोशंस आप बोलना चाहते थे पर नहीं बोल पाए. आइदर यू वर द यंगर वन और यू वर द डोमिनेंट वन. जो भी जाने अनजाने आपने कहा या नहीं कहा, सब कुछ डिसॉल्व होते हुए. See the wounds that have been carried from past, healing and releasing completely in this blue light. इस आकाशा में ये सभी डिसॉल्व होते हुए साइलेंटली इन योर हार्ट, अपने हृदय में बहुत ही सॉफ्टली विस्पर इट टू योरसेल्फ, अपने आप से ये कहिए. I forgive you. I forgive you and I release you. See it reaching out to your siblings. See these words and vibrations reaching out to your siblings. I forgive you and I release you. I honor the lesson you brought into my life. जो भी लेसन आपने मेरी लाइफ में लाया है, इसके लिए मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूँ, ग्रैटिट्यूड फील करता हूँ. I thank you and I release. You could have taught me that lesson by being in the role that you played. May it be your brother, may it be your sister, may it be an elderly sibling, may it be the younger one. You could have taught me the lesson only by being in the role that you did play. I accept and I honor the relationship and the position that you took for me to learn. मुझे जो भी सीखना ज़रूरी था, मैं आपकी वजह से सीख पाई. And I thank you for the same. And I forgive and release you for the past karmics. And may we all be free from the karmic entanglements. Let us pray that हम सभी जो अटके हैं, entangled हैं, हम सभी एक दूसरे को रिलीज करते हुए देखिए. Now listen inwardly. आप सुन पा रहे हैं आपके हृदय में. You are able to hear your siblings' souls wish to say something similar to you. आप सुन पा रहे हैं जैसे ही आपने अनकंडीशनल लव, फॉरगिवनेस को एम्ब्रेस किया, आप तक भी वही ध्वनि आपके भाई बहनों से आ रही है. You are able to receive the same words. Feel it, embrace it, and receive it. Allow their words, their feelings to reach you. Open your heart and allow their words and feelings to reach you. Receive their message with openness. If the tears come, let them flow. If the silence comes, embrace it. This is healing, raw, real, and sacred. Let the soul family circle now hold hands. Let the soul family circle hold hands, connected through love and light. Connected through love and light. See the patterns that bound you begin to dissolve into white light. See the patterns that bind you begin to dissolve into the white light. Only love remains. The pinkish color light is giving you blessings and healing you completely, dissolving all the karmics. Feel it, absorb it, assimilate it. Let it settle in your energies. The peace, the unconditional love, the forgiveness that is now flowing through you and your siblings into all your soul family members. Feel it, absorb it, महसूस कीजिए. And now Gently bring your focus back to your throat chakra. Bring your focus back to your throat chakra. Feel it glowing brilliantly with the blue light. Experiencing balance. Experiencing freedom. Experiencing openness of your own truth. Now, expand this blue light upward into the space element, merging with the infinite sky, merging with the soul field. देखिए आपके विशुद्धि चक्र से ऊपर की तरफ ये नीली ऊर्जा बढ़ती हुई, uniting with the infinite sky and merging, healing, reaching your soul field. The space absorbs all your karmic patterns, all your sibling imprints, and releases them into divine wisdom. This blue light, the space, has now absorbed all the karmic patterns, all your sibling imprints, and releases them into divine wisdom. Feel it, absorb it, affirm silently. I am free. अपने आप से कंफर्म कीजिए, अश्योर कीजिए, I am free. And my siblings are also free. My brothers and my sisters all are free. Our souls are forever connected in love. Our souls are forever connected in love. Feel this affirmation vibrating through your throat, into your body and into the infinite cosmos. महसूस कीजिए ये वाइब्रेशंस आपके थ्रोट चक्रा से आपके पूरे शरीर में फैलता हुआ, बढ़ता हुआ, आपके ऑरिक लेयर्स में एक्सपांड होता हुआ कॉस्मोस से जा मिल रहा है. महसूस कीजिए. The healing is complete. The space holds it, integrates it, blesses it. Rest in this vibration for a few minutes. The field of unity, love, and peace. The field of love, unity, and peace. See it expanding, healing your Vishuddhi completely, dissolving the karmics in your energy system and expanding your aura, reaching out to the cosmic infinite energies. See your body vibrating in love and wisdom, completely light. The healing is complete. The space holds it, integrates it, blesses it. The vibrations for a few moments are happy, full of bliss, joy. This field of unity, love, and peace is slowly absorbing into the deeper tissues, reaching out to each and every cell of your energy system, healing you completely. Let this peace assimilate अपने पूरे शरीर में इस joyous energies को महसूस कीजिए. इस blissful state को महसूस कीजिए. पूरी तरह से महसूस कीजिए the pleasantness, the completeness. All the competition has dissolved. All the complaints are dissolved. All the judgments have dissolved. All the hurt has dissolved. All the pain from the past, the expectations, unfulfilled desires, सब कुछ सहजता से डिसॉल्व हो चुका है. And you're vibrating in the pleasant blue light and expanding and reaching out to the skies from all directions, vibrating with love and compassion and infinite possibilities. Healing self, healing your siblings, and healing your soul families. Bless yourself and slowly begin the journey to return. Bring your awareness back to your physical body. Feel your breath flowing in and out. अपना पूरा ध्यान अपने श्वासों पर लाते हुए अपने श्वासों की गति को देखिए. Feel your breath flowing in and out. Feel the weight of your body on the surface beneath you. अपने शरीर को फिर से महसूस कीजिए. Move your fingertips and your toes gently and take a deep, refreshing breath. Take a deep, refreshing breath. Take a deep, refreshing breath. Whenever you are ready, rub your palms. Rub your palms and feel them on your throat chakra, on the eyes. Rub your palms and feel them on the throat chakra and your eyes. Rub your palms and feel them on your throat chakra. Thanking all the gods and the goddesses, connected souls. Thanking your soul guru, masters, angels, spirit guides. Thanking your own life. Come back to the present moment. Whenever you're comfortable, open your eyes. If you are lying down, take some moment. Turn to your left. Turn to your left. Don't get up very fast. Turn to your left. And whenever you feel like, you can sit upright. If you feel like lying down or exiting the session, it is absolutely fine. Absorb and assimilate these energies. If you feel like sharing something, you are always welcome. Thank you. Welcome back.